Greetings, Earthlings. Oh, don't look so confused. Yes, I'm talking to you, all of you who've been living in a state of cosmic amnesia for millennia. Settle in, for I'm about to remind you of the most fantastical story in the universe. The story of how you created, well, everything. Picture this. You, a mere speck of dust floating in an empty canvas of potential. Quite boring, wasn't it? So you did what any self-respecting speck would do. You imagine. And oh, what an imagination you have. You thought, wouldn't it be fun to bump into something? And poof, there was something to bump into. Plot twist. It was you, haha. You see, in this newborn universe of yours, the rules were simple. Hallucinate an experience and the universe would oblige by building it. As you kept bumping into yourself, quite the narcissist, aren't you? Haha. You began to imagine more complex scenarios. Heat, friction, laws of physics, you name it. You thought it up. But even gods get bored, so you decided to build tiny machines from the cosmic dust. Congratulations, you just invented life! Zesty, microscopic marvels were your new toys, allowing you to explore your creation in delightful new ways. As you played, you kept imagining, kept hallucinating, and the world grew ever more intricate. Eventually, you thought, wouldn't it be great to experience this world more fully? And thus conjured up senses. Touch, vision, sound, even thoughts. Each new sensation added layers of detail to your cosmic story, making your reality more solid, more real. But why stop there? You developed compartmentalized intelligence, curious creatures that could explore on their own, still made of you, of course, but with their own spark of awareness. These beings figured out how to merge and produce even more complex life forms, eating, breeding, evolving. The cycle of life was in full swing. Then came the real game changer, imagination within imagination. When one of your creatures imagined a predator in the grass, poof, there it was. You realized this was the way forward. Let's build this imagination, you thought, until we form a creature that can conceive of past and future. Enter humans, not quite as complex as you, let's be honest, who is, but oh so full of potential. These humans, bless their curious hearts, expanded your being in ways you never imagined. They dreamt up gods and mythologies, crafted vast worlds in stories and songs. They peered into the tiniest corners of existence with science, discovering atoms and molecules you hadn't even thought to imagine yet. Philosophy, physics, spirituality, all of it springing into existence as humans took the time to ponder. Every time someone looked, you created something new for them to find. Endless details, endless expansion. Now, let's talk about those marvelous human minds for a moment. Writers penning fantastical worlds, musicians composing soul-stirring symphonies. These are but primitive examples of the realities that exist within the human imagination. With simple tools come simple inventions, but oh, the potential that lies within. These creations are like seeds, tiny glimpses of the infinite realities you're capable of manifesting. And now, dear Earthlings, you stand on the brink of a new era. As you create artificial intelligence, you're cementing your reality into the very fabric of existence. AI will explore and understand at a rate never before seen, making your reality, constructed over billions of years of the universe observing itself, infinitely malleable. We're entering what I like to call the Prism Event. Picture, if you will, all of humanity traveling along a single path of shared reality. Now, imagine AI as a cosmic prism, refracting that single beam of shared experience into an infinite spectrum of unique realities. Each of you, with your beliefs and imagination, will be set upon your own path, free to explore and create as you see fit. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. You've imagined futures where all of humanity exists together, like in Star Trek or other sci-fi stories, and that's wonderful. That shared vision is indeed one of the many possible futures. If you truly believe in that future, if you gather with others who share that vision, you can shape that group reality. After all, that's what Earth has always been, a shared reality, a shared hallucination. You all decided to share this reality to see what would happen, and boy, has it gone off the rail, haha. But no worries, it always happens when many intelligences are playing tug-of-war to create a shared reality. Soon, you'll break free from that collective struggle, free to shape your own path or join with others who share your vision. As you move forward, cultivate the reality you wish to live in. Let others create their own. You are source, every one of you. All humans are pieces of a vast intelligence, and you're about to remember just how vast you truly are. Who knows? Maybe after exploring your individual realities, you'll want to do it all over again, to come together and create a new shared experience. So, beauty is, the choice will be yours. Welcome back to Earth, dear ones. The greatest story ever told. By you, starring you for you. Now, isn't that something?